Just starting me.
Hey Dad, let's see, we gotta wait for Mom. So this is for you and from Santa. I did not know that was gonna happen.
What?
This Christmas.
What? Because you weren't a good boy this year?
No, but I got some presents.
Daddy,
I knew he would knew I was a good
open
boy.
that one.
Huh.
Santa.
It's from Santa, but don't do it yet. Don't. Mom, you done yet?
I am almost done.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Open up.
Hey, look. Present from Grandma and Pop Pops.
Good job.
From Emmett from Santa.